There are more than 4,000 different uses for corn. Here are some of the most interesting facts about where corn is used. Corn is most often thought of as a food. Perhaps if you're an avid cook, you might even think of cornstarch or corn-based food additives, or perhaps those who follow the oil and gas news might think of ethanol. However, recent years have seen this dinner staple's uses expand greatly. In fact, the bulk of corn that's produced today does not go to food production. You're probably using corn in ways that you don't even realize as you go about your daily business. The countless uses of corn have prompted some interest in corn as an investable asset, and prices have surged in recent years as demand has increased. How corn is used in plastic. Plastics aren't entirely made up of synthetic substances. In fact, corn-based plastics have become very popular in recent years as companies strive to find methods for reducing the environmental impact of plastics. Corn-based plastics use up to 68% less fossil fuels in production than traditional plastics, and are estimated to emit 55% less greenhouse gases. Additionally, many of these plastics are also biodegradable. You'll find corn plastics used in food containers and plastic food packaging, disposable dishware and gift cards. Yes, corn is in your batteries. Ethanol isn't the only form of energy derived from corn. Some batteries also contain corn derivatives found in the form of bioelectricity. In batteries, cornstarch is often used as an electrical conductor. It even makes you smell better. Cornstarch is a common ingredient in many cosmetic and hygiene items, including deodorants. Many natural or homemade deodorants include cornstarch as an ingredient because of its absorbent nature. However, many gel deodorants also contain a corn derivative in the form of denatured alcohol, also known as ethanol. Similarly, hand sanitizer also typically contains ethanol. Or eases the common cold. Corn syrup is one of the main ingredients in cough drops. It provides the sweetness that is found in most cough drops, and also helps provide the shape and candy-like texture of cough drops. Corn syrup is used in this capacity because traditional sugars often form crystals or dust-like particles while blending. Luckily, corn syrup doesn't share this undesirable trait in the manufacturing process. Where would babies be without corn? You can thank the absorbent nature of cornstarch for its assistance in the production of diapers. Though the absorbent layer found in modern-day diapers is typically made with acrylic acid, which is a component of ethylene, another derivative of corn, you'll also find traditional cornstarch used in diaper production. Baby powder, an item which is often used along with diapers, also typically contains cornstarch thanks to its absorbent nature. Corn helps matches burn bright. Corn, and more specifically cornstarch, is a common ingredient used in the production of matchsticks. Additionally, matchsticks that are formed on paper or cardstock may include corn products in the paper itself to increase the rigidity. Additionally, you can also purchase pellet stoves that burn corn-based pellets to heat your home. Vast list of corn uses. From crop to medication. Many medications and vitamins contain corn products, particularly cornstarch. The starch is often used as a binder or within the tablet's coating, and helps drugs to hold their form. Additionally, cornstarch is used as an agent that helps the tablets to disintegrate after they are ingested. Cornstarch is an appealing ingredient for these uses because it is a safe and natural product that's generally quite easily digested by humans. Corn is beneath our feet. Carpets and other textile products now make wide use of corn in their production. This is often found in petroleum-based textile production, but can also be found in colorings or dyes. Corn-based products are often preferable to petroleum-based products in textile production because they are typically better for the environment. Vitamin C. The vast majority of commercially distributed vitamin C is derived from corn. Corn is rich with vitamin C. Half a cup of corn contains roughly 33% of your suggested daily intake of vitamin C, which makes it an appealing source for adding vitamin C to enrich various products, or in the production of vitamin C tablets. Corn for crayons. Those colorful crayons that children play with can also attribute their form to the inclusion of corn-based derivatives. Dextrin, which is made from cornstarch, is used to assist with removing crayons easily from their molds. Corn products also help the paper labels to adhere to crayons. Yogurt and corn. Though perhaps you're not likely to see corn-flavored yogurt lining the grocery store shelves anytime soon, you may be surprised to learn that corn is an ingredient in many types of yogurt. You might find corn syrup used as a sweetener in yogurt, and cornstarch is often used to help get the right consistency in both yogurt and ice cream. Corn holds our world together. Glue and other adhesives commonly contain cornmeal or cornstarch. The adhesives used on envelopes include cornstarch, which becomes sticky once moistened. Additionally, corn germ, which is the leftover substance after the oil has been removed from corn, is used to increase the adhesive qualities of industrial glue. The use of corn germ allows many of these high-intensity glues to be less expensive, as corn germ replaces some of the resin that's typically used in fabrication. A sweet tooth for corn. You'll generally find corn used in candies and other confectionery items in two ways. First, corn syrup is often used as a sweetener in beverages, candies and other sweets. Also, candies that are formed in molds often contain cornstarch in order to get the fine details to hold their shape. Think of gummy candies that have fine details, like character shapes or imprinted logos. Additionally, corn products are used to give some types of candies a chewy texture. You'll find corn used in virtually any type of sweetened product. The bottom line: toothpaste, dish detergent, paper, clothing dyes, explosives and soaps. There is a vast list of products that contain corn products. In fact, it is estimated that 1/4 of items found in a grocery store contain corn in some form. You may not always see it on the ingredient listing for food products, but if you see such ingredients as xanthan gum, polyols, artificial sweeteners, or fructose, there's a chance corn is hiding away somewhere in those food items. Outside of foods, many petroleum-based production processes are now including corn products in an effort to make manufacturing more environmentally friendly. So, whether you're for it or against it, the wide range of uses for corn has expanded well beyond the usual suspects. In fact, it's become rather hard to imagine our world without this diverse and dependable staple. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.